Hello everyone. Welcome to the Impact Theory. Our goal with us is to show or is to introduce you to people and ideas that will help you to actually execute your dreams. Today's guest is a New York Times best-selling author and one of the most sought-after speakers in the world. He has lectured and given advanced workshops in more than 30 countries with the aim of helping people better understand and unlock the power of their mind. His expertise is the intersection of the fields of neuroscience, epigenetics, and quantum physics, and is partnered with other scientists across multiple disciplines to perform extensive research on the effect of meditation. So please help me in welcoming the man who has appeared in such films as Heal, People versus the State of Illusion and Unleashing Creativity. The author of the recent book, Becoming Supernatural, Dr. Joe Dispenza. Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. So, what's an habit about according to you?
Regarding the habit, okay, I'll ask you itself. I know you are you are the interviewer, and I'm the speaker. First question I will ask yourself, right? Okay, what is habit according to you during COVID times?
I would wake up early in the morning and attend Zoom calls, host interviews, and breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and go to sleep.
Okay.
That's my habit.
During COVID time, no?
Yes.
These are the unconscious things what you do daily, right?
Yes.
Apart from this unconscious thing, there are things which you do consciously, right? So in that particular things, there might be stress, there might be a lot of anxiety, emotions, and lot of things are there, right? So apart from habit, the things which you do can create lot of stress. So that is what habit, or apart from habit, and people are facing lot of stress problem during this COVID.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, that is what.
So, can you please let us know how do you overcome the stress?
There are a number of ways where we can overcome the stress, especially through many healthy ways, or through various exercise, or identifying your values, and trying to find out your potential, and implementing or investing your more time into it. These are the ways you can overcome the stress.
Okay. So, what are all the healthy ways you can actually overcome the stress?
Healthy ways is actually, see, either you can have food accordingly, you can have a diet, or you can plan your food accordingly.
Okay.
You can have such type of healthy ways activity. And even one more thing I can say is that many people will start using, like, will have consuming alcohol at times when they have lot of stress. But the thing is that for a shorter period of time only we can overcome this situation. No, for long run it is not possible, right? So there are many healthy ways, like having food accordingly, like removing the disadvantaged items in our life apart
Getting
from
into
our
the
life.
sports.
Sorry?
Sports. Getting into the.
Yeah, getting into sports, various activities, exercise. These
And
are the
also
ways.
reading books.
Yeah.
Well, can you elaborate on meditation?
Okay. Since from the starting itself we were talking about stress,
Yes.
various anxiety problems, emotions, and all, right. So to overcome this, the one of the key element we can use is meditation itself.
Yes.
Meditation is actually focusing into a certain point and being stable for a long time, and visualizing or imagining various things in whichever whatever come into our mind. And basically meditation is like see, meditation
Yes.
is like it is one of the key element we can overcome the stress, and even we can increase our patience, and various other advantages are there when we follow meditations and other sort of things. That is what. So during this COVID time, around the world, the people were stable for a long time, and people weren't working like they were working at home, and I know it is hard for them. There is no engagement with other type of human beings apart from people in the home. uh, so these issues can create various stress or some other related issues. So to overcome this, it is one of the best way meditation or keeping our mind, our body, our inner minds, and identifying the values what we have, and working.
It's a connection with the
yeah,
spirituality.
investing in identifying the values and investing time on it. These are the ways you can do it.
Okay.
I hope that you understood.
Yes, sir.
That is what all about.
So, how many hours you would usually spend for the meditation?
It's hard for me. You know, I'm an author and I'm just teaching in various colleges, universities, and all. It is hard for me.
Yes. Yeah.
Since yeah,
You just
weekly,
started
yeah,
attending interviews.
weekly I used to do meditations once in a week. I do. Yeah.
Once in a week.
Yeah.
Oh, it was a wonderful having you, sir.
Okay. Thank
So,
you.
thank you for the interview, sir.
Thank you, Tom.